Alright guys, today we are in the Raptor. We have the first mod that we're going to install in the Raptor, and once I'm home I will show you guys what that is so we can get this video started. Let's go. Alright guys, so first official mod for the Raptor is a Tackform dash mount. Now I'll explain why I wanted to do the Tackform dash mount once I get it in the truck. I do want to show you guys what it comes with for now. I didn't order a phone holder, and also I'll explain that once we get in the truck. This is the tablet mount. It comes with all the necessary ball heads you need for the bracket. Go ahead and open that. This is the actual bracket. So this is the Tackform Slim Track dash bracket. We'll set this all up and we'll go ahead and install it in the truck. Alright, so start. Got myself my little Allen key here. Nothing crazy. I'm pretty sure these countersink screws are what I'm gonna piece it together with. Don't need any of this stuff right now, so just kind of have it off to the side. So take the brackets. I think I want to have, pretty sure it doesn't matter what side that goes on. This little opening here for the ball heads. Get it focused. Come on, guy, focus. There we go. So they're gonna go to the inside like this. And there it is, and you just bolt it together. Simple as that. Let's go ahead and do that. Get one of these guys, throw it in there, and throw it in there. You can hand tight. There's that one. Let's grab another one. Do the same thing. Probably want to leave them loose till you have the other side on there as well. Good to go. Grab your other side and same thing. There it is, all tight. Double-sided tape. Let's go throw this in the truck. Got the bracket reassembled. So in the previous footage I said that slot probably didn't matter if it was on the right or left because I wanted it on the left, but it 100% matters and it needs to be on the right, otherwise the bracket doesn't fit in the slot, I mean in the cubby. So now it fits. Got it on the right side and it fits perfect. We're gonna go ahead and re-clean, peel the tape, peel the tape, and stick it in there. Yes, sir. Got the supplied alcohol wipe. Go ahead and, whoa, give that thing a wipe. Make sure it's all clean. Same thing on the other side. There we go. Double-sided tape peeled off. We're gonna go ahead and set it in there and make sure that we're all the way forward before we set it down. And we're good. There we are. Press down a couple times. Yep. Now, back to the ball mount. Easy as that. That's it. Allen key. Tighten that puppy up. That's it. If you ever want to move it, keep this guy in the truck or your car or whatever. Stash it in the glove box. Doesn't matter. Keep it in here. You can always move them. All right, so next we have the Tackform arm, and this thing's quality. Everything's pretty much aluminum. Same thing with the bracket, all aluminum. Quality. This thing has some weight to it, so to install it, pretty easy. Open it till it's wide enough, slip over the ball. Once it's there, it'll slip on, tighten it up. See if we can do this one-handed. That's it. We're on there. Clean. It's preloaded tablet mount. Why I wanted this guy. Mainly for road trips. During long road trips, I like to put, you know, tablet or my iPad up and watch YouTube or whatever. Probably not the safest thing, but you know, it gets boring on those long hauls. All right, got it pretty much assembled. Got the back ball head on there, all secured. Got the angled pieces on there. Just gotta choose which one fits, get it on there. And then you have these little stoppers here that they give you, little rubber stoppers, and those guys go right there, so that when you slide these in, they can't come back out. See, it stops right there, and that's where they go. They are a little tough to press in, as they should be. You don't want those guys falling out and then having one of these guys slip out, so that's where they go. Now we're gonna go test fit in the truck. Got the iPad ready to go. We're good. All right, so now you can see, got it mounted. Easy stuff, self-explanatory. Put the other ball head on, and then there you go. You got your iPad mount, tablet mount. That's all, like I said, that's all I wanted it for. Long hauls, when I'm not using it. Clearly I'll just take it off. Got it all mounted up, connected to the audio in the truck.
Yes, hell yeah.
There is a delay. I don't know why there's a delay, but there's a delay. I mean, I'll see if I can fix it. If I can't fix it, it doesn't really bother me. I'd rather have the iPad than no iPad for those long hauls. But yeah, it's kind of annoying because there's a glare right now, but pretty sure at night this thing will look killer. But that's it. Clean. Watching some Gen 1 long travel stuff. Gen 1 Raptor long travel stuff.
So we have all the plate work in stock. We're pretty small shops. We don't have them usually on the shelf ready to go.
Race
We're
design.
trying to get there. We have several kits tacked up ready to go. So if we're holding one,
But that's it. That's what I wanted right there. Now if I put a phone mount, could be here. Like I said, I don't really want one. I just got it mainly for this. If I really want to, I can get a smaller iPad so it's not so in your face. But I mean, this doesn't bother me, so it's cool. Tackform, baby. See you guys in the next one.